And I'm delighted to be actually talking about this because I feel like I was a little piece of this, because I had a scar from what the doctor had fixed on part of my body, and I started using these products several years ago, and it has evolved into this 5-step phase protocol. Now you've got the cleanser in phase 1, along with this, I just love this, phase 1 because of the smell. It's got this beautiful lavender-like smell. It just so natural. It's almost like a nice perfume. You almost want to wear it as a perfume. And then you go on to your phase 2, your phase 3, your phase 4, and your phase 5. And all these little miracles together basically make your scar just disappear like magic. If you have a scar and you want it to just have the little dust thrown on it and have it disappear, you will engage in this 5-phase program.